life.
When everyone else be in my way too.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this is cool.
Hey, there's one following me! Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we are here at Land of Illusion up here in Middletown, Ohio. This is a multi-attraction scream park. They've actually got 6 full-size haunts here, and we are gonna take you through all 6 of them tonight. First up here, we're gonna go into the Temple of Terror. That's their Egyptian-themed haunt. I hear they've made a lot of changes. There's some really energetic actors in there this year, so without further ado, let's get in and get some scares.
Come on! We got so much space to work with now.
It's your fault. You distracted us.
Is it my fault that I distracted you, or is it her fault for being in my way?
That's a good
Am I in
question.
the way?
Everyone's always in my way. The question is,
That's the story of my
when
life.
everyone else be in my way too.
Uh-oh.
Oh, maybe. I just hope that nothing made those and like.
Where did this come from?
We have quite a few spiders.
You have an
No!
infestation?
Some are big, some are small. I know. And all of them love to sink their teeth in the web's flesh.
Especially with purple hair.
But for all of you, whom I will be seeing very soon, down the elevator, just a little welcome from the Underminer.
The Underminer?
Okay. A welcome from. He's gonna
I see
find
how
us
he got
later.
his name there.
How many
yeah.
times do you think he's gonna make a scream?
72.
72.
Oh my god.
Wow.
That's a big bet. I like it.
The Underminer's gonna go down the building.
Come on now, hurry up!
Oh no.
Oh,
that
my.
one's not quite right. I think I might hold on to you.
That's fine. That's okay. You
So
can.
look, as soon as you get down there, you're gonna die, but it's okay.
It's
'Cause
okay.
as long as you don't touch them, they won't touch you.
Okay.
No cell phone. I
Oh, someone's always wrong down here, dearie. I welcome you to the
Oh,
barn.
the red lights. We're in the red light district.
To the shaft.
The
We
shaft.
had a little bit of a cave-in, so you'll have to take the scenic route down.
Oh my god. Look at
Careful with your
this.
limbs, you don't want to get
Ooh.
Be careful of our limbs,
I
he
like
said.
this. Ew, there's something touching me. There's ew. Oh my goodness, there's somebody up there.
It's a casket.
It is. Wow. Oh, that's what it is. Oh. Don't trust any of these cats. What is it?
It's that person still.
Something's touching me again. Oh, I didn't do it.
Oh, God.
I
Oh, this is new.
what the heck is
I did not think you were real.
Don't worry.
No.
He's real. He's risen.
Oh, no.
I'll feast the best. Feast your flesh.
Oh, feast
I'm the
our
hound of hell. Oh man.
Excuse, we're gonna leave the house. Oh, God.
What is that? Did you get killed? I take your soul. No,
No,
I'm using
I don't have
it.
a soul. I don't have
Oh,
a soul.
sorry,
We're
Tammy.
good. No.
They're glowing.
I'm using it right now.
Oh my god, there's spider webs. No.
There's a man up there.
There's a what?
Him.
Oh, I think he's dead, Tammy.
He's missing his
I think
buttocks.
he's dead. What is? Oh, there is no spiders. Oh, he's got a
No,
He's got a
no.
web on his face.
Oh.
No,
Come out of the walls.
This is really cool.
we're
Oh.
You made it! Spiders! You made it through a mummy!
What is this?
He seems angry.
What happened?
King Tut said when I chopped all his fingers off and fed them to Annie.
That's probably what I'd say
Annie
too.
likes your fingers.
Attack.
Fried, grilled, or right off the bone.
I like
I like
mine
mine
attached.
on my hand.
Annie.
Who's Eddie?
What?
Eddie.
What is about to
That's
happen?
Eddie.
Oh.
Yeah. Hi, Eddie. Please don't eat us.
Eddie's not okay. Oh, this is cool. We're gonna die.
Yeah. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a bat.
Whoa.
Oh,
It is a
it's
bat.
my people.
That's awesome.
I want to cuddle it.
I do too.
Oh, I don't trust it. I don't want
You guys look like a good group for my rats.
I'm so
Love
confused.
that. Filet. We're getting sacrificed.
We're getting sacrificed and filleted.
Oh. Not Tammy does. Tammy.
Come now!
Yeah.
Get across the bridge!
Okay, across the bridge. Yeah. Oh shit.
My whole life flashed before my eyes.
Hey, there's one following me. Look out!
Oh, is it a mummy?
The victims for the horse sacrifice ceremony.
Oh, we got
It's
down,
about time
lady.
you angered the gods by making them wait.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We don't want to make the gods
We
mad.
almost got mashed by the ceiling.
Oh, what is it? Oh, just see another person. Oh, we don't want to make the gods
I
mad.
need heart.
Nope, I
We don't have
one.
any.
I'm
We don't have
heartless.
any.
My heart is cold.
My heart is gone.
You got big soul boy.
Oh no, something bad's about to happen.
Oh no.
Oh.
Yeah, buddy.
Through the abyss.
Oh, we made it.
Yeah, now we're dead.
Just barely. All right, so that was Temple of Terror. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. Let's head on off to the next one.